Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. So we are going to start a fantasy hairstyle today. I am going to show two models today. Before we start, see, it is actually all about hairstyling. Okay, fantasy is also a big part of that, and fantasy is a bigger version of every hairstyle. That's the main thing. When you do a fantasy hairstyle, you have to decide actually what you are going to, क्या थीम करने वाले हैं आप, एंड यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ मूड बोर्ड. बेसिकली मूड बोर्ड इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई योर हेयर स्टाइल. आपको सामने वाले को बताना है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. ओके, सो इन दैट थिंग टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टू मॉडल्स. इन दिस टू मॉडल्स, जो फर्स्ट मॉडल है मेरी, उसके ऊपर वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट a flower woman, a woman with a lot of flowers on her hair and everything like that. And just to make it that flowers makes you joy, gives you joy. The colors of the flowers gives you like peace in the life, happiness. That is my main motto to present that model on the stage. The main thing behind the hairstyle which I do is like everything is made up of hair. I am not using any other part rather than hair. I am using synthetic hairs. Some hairs are real, some hairs are false. You can see the piece of synthetic hairs here. Okay, we have made different kinds of sheet out of that. The sheets are basically here. You can see these sheets which are completely made up of hairs and hairspray. We have ironed them and make in the form of paper of that. And from that we have made different kinds of flowers out of that. This kind of flowers. So everything is basically made up of hair. So today we are just going to fix the hairstyle here. We are going to create the hairstyle here. अभी कैसा है, ये sheets करने के टाइम नहीं यहाँ पे. It will need at least like 1 day to make the sheets and everything. So here we will quickly fix the hairstyle and quickly make her ready for you, because we have to do 2 hairstyle and we just have 1 hour or maybe 1.5 hours for that. Okay, I'll start with the hairstyle today. Already I have fixed everything here. I have braided her hair. I have put the donut on that. We have tied the donut with some threads, so donut will be like fixed here. I am teasing the hairs, okay, just to create a bit of volume on the sides. This hairstyle, according to me, what I justify it, I am justifying it as a life, okay. Sometimes it is we have a good time, sometimes we have a bad times. Okay, the black what she is resembling, that's a sad time of her life, and the black hairs are resembling the sad time of her life. And the flowers which I am putting, which are they are very colorful, and that are representing the happiness of our life. I'm teasing the hair here. Here you can create any kind of thing. See, basically, when you do a avant-garde or a fantasy hairstyle, mainly a fantasy I will talk about. So it is the imagination of the hairstylist. Okay, and after the imagination comes a mood board. But moreover, it is the imagination. See, what is going on in the head of the hairstylist, that is what he is doing on the hair. And that's why I like fantasy hairstyle a lot, because you really have a chance to play with the hairs. You can really create a lot of new things with the hairs. Creativity is like much more on the hairs in that. Bridal में भी होता है, पर like bridal में you have limitations, or any other party hairstyles or any other hairstyle you have limitations. Here fantasy is like all about your fantasies, all about your imaginations, all about your inspirations, where you take the inspirations from. It is all about that. This hairstyle which I am presenting on the stage is just a glimpse of the hairstyle, because we don't have that much of time. That's why I am going bit faster here, because we have to complete like 2 hairstyles here.
Sir, hi, we have a question for you.
Yeah.
सर इसको वापस लूज कैसे करेंगे?
लूज कैसे करते हैं? टीजिंग को यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द एंड्स, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट combing from the ends. It will come out immediately. See, it has come out.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Guys, you all can ask any questions, any queries to sir. He will be more than happy to answer.
Definitely. I'm trying to elaborate everything in my like when I'm doing the hairstyle. But wherever you have any questions, you have any doubt, you can definitely ask, and you can I will try to answer them. I will request my two assistants to come on the stage, please. Jagdish, please welcome Jagdish and Moini, who are going to assist me on the stage. You pins and sticks, orange sticks. You pins. Here we are creating a background for the hairstyle. The hairstyle will look more better. I will really like to use orange sticks, to put this hair, because it is very easy rather than the pins. Orange sticks are much easier also. दोन बाजू इतले बारीक वाले बनव थिन पाहिजेत. It's in that bag त्या ह्याच्यामध्ये. These are also made up of these sheets only. We have colored them. This is without color and this is with color. We have just colored them with the sprays, like hair sprays. What you get the color sprays regularly, so we have just you pin. बस है. और ये वाला. Now we are using different kinds of formations of that disc.
Sir, you have won so many competitions. So how was your experience? Would you like to share with us?
Definitely, it was super experience with the competitions, and competitions makes you ready for everything. Like when you want to become a good hairstylist, competition makes you ready for that, because for the competition you practice, for the competition you think. आप सोचते हो कि क्या करना चाहिए, मुझे जीतना है, तो what you have to do. You think a lot on that basically, and when you start focusing on specific things, then definitely good things come out of that. HBS was a very good experience. Means I am participating from last many years, and it gave me a very good experience. I will say, कि the competitions are very tough. Basically, the judging is very tough. Judging is very perfect because I will tell you my first experience. I have done. It was a avant-garde category. Okay. Mistake हो गया मेरे से कि I didn't read the properly. I thought it is fantasy only. And for the first year, I did a very huge, like it was like 3 feet up the air. And there we were eliminated. And that I am very much proud to say कि उन लोगों ने ऐसा नहीं किया कि हाँ चलो दे दो करके. They made it very proper judgment. And then the next year it was avant-garde again. I did a proper avant-garde. I got a gold medal. So it is not like कि आप ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी करो आपको मिल जाएगा. There is a very fair judgment every time, and the judges are very fair about everything. They will tell you कि where you are going wrong and where you are right. क्या गलत हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. Everything they will tell you. This one thing I like about the orange sticks. It fixes the hairstyle very easily. 2 minute में hairstyle is like ready. But it is a big pain to do all these things. When जब आप regularly ये बनाते हो तो बहुत time लगता है. So it is not with my only hands. All my staff is also helping me with that. Everyone is doing this. यहाँ heavy है थोड़ा सा. When you are putting the hairstyle, you have to balance the hairstyle as well. It is not like that कि चलो लगा दिया. You आपको balance भी maintain करना पड़ता है कि कहाँ पे क्या लगा रहे हो, कहाँ पे क्या नहीं लगा रहे हो. तो you have to balance the complete hairstyle. नहीं. And this is a speciality. These are completely handmade. These are regular ये जो hairs है इससे properly ये leaves बनाए, ये petals बनाए गए हैं. Completely handmade with the sprays, and then we have put the color sprays in this. बना दिया आपका जगह. Double, double.
Sir, any advice you will like to give to our audience who is in this profession?
Main thing, only one advice, if you want to be successful, you have to follow only one word, and that is practice. Without practicing, nothing is possible. Nothing is. मतलब जहाँ पे इतने सब स्टेज पे आप जो लोग देख रहे हैं, everyone is practicing every day, because without practice कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. I mean, if you want to be successful, you have to keep on practicing, keep on doing things, invent new things, नया invention करो, नया practice करो. Haircuts, अगर आप haircuts में हो तो create your own hairstyle haircuts, make your signature haircuts, and then teach it to the next generation, because that is very important. If you are going to keep it to yourself, आप अगर अपने पास रखोगे कि मैं किसी को सिखाऊंगा नहीं, तो ये knowledge अगर pass on नहीं होगा तो उसका कुछ फायदा नहीं है. तो always keep on passing it to everyone, कि पास जितना करोगे उतना आपके लिए अच्छा है, और नॉलेज जितना बांटोगे उतना आपके पास 100% रिटर्न आने वाला है.
Correct.
तो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट कि कंपटीशन होगा या फिर मेरे को ये कंपटीशन करेंगे तो मैं सिखाऊंगा नहीं. टीच एवरीथिंग, एवरी सिंगल थिंग यू हैव टू टीच. बस है.
Sir, we have a question coming for
Yes.
you.
सर आपको एकेडमी
हाँ, yeah, I have my own academy as well. Like,
यस
so we teach everything. We teach all hair courses. We teach fantasy hair courses. We
Yes.
teach damn everything. Like, I am a makeup artist as well. I am an international makeup artist. I am a hairstylist. I am a hair designer, you can say. Spray.
Sir, so what are your details for it?
I'll tell you after the
Yeah,
like
perfect.
these things.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, listen. Spray them all. बस एक हाथ से एक हाथ से. Okay, so I present my first model, Poonam. Please give a big round of applause for
Huge
Poonam.
round of applause, guys. Woo!
call second model Vidhi. Please come on. इथून येईल.
Can we have a huge round of applause for our second model?
Again for her also we are done the same thing. We have made the base ready. Okay, the base is very tight as you can see here. Donuts लगाए हुए हैं मैंने यहाँ पे. I am fixing it on that. So now here I am presenting a different kind of thing. I am presenting a flower which you can make it from the hairs. So these are the flower. This is again made from the hairs only. From these same hairs we have made this flower. उसके छोटे just short किया है उनको. पकड़ मागे नहीं था. So कट किया हुआ है hair को. कट करके यहाँ पे टेप से उसको I have just fixed it out. And a very nice flower has been made from this. It is very super, very easy technique. Okay. मेरा जो सेकेंड वीडियो है वो अभी चलाएंगे तो उसमें आपको वो दिखेगा कि कैसे बनाया है. आई वॉज गोइंग टू शो इट ऑन द स्टेज एज वेल बट ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ टाइम इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू शो हाउ टू मेक अ बिट बट इफ आई गेट टाइम आई डेफिनेटली शो यू. ओके, विल स्टार्ट विद द थिंग्स. अगेन इट्स वेरी इजी. द बेस इज ऑलरेडी डन. द कंसेप्ट बिहाइंड दिस हेयर स्टाइल इज डैंडिलॉन्स. यू हैव सीन डैंडिलॉन फ्लावर्स. जो डैंडिलॉन के फ्लावर्स रहते हैं जो मालूम है ऐसे उड़ते हैं थोड़ा सा हवा में for the germination and everything. So this is completely based on that.
I request people at the back can come ahead and have a seat. Question for you.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Siley this side.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, just want to know which stick you use that material.
Which?
That longer sticks you use, no? For
This one?
flowers. Yeah.
These are like regular bamboo sticks.
Bamboo sticks. Okay. Thank you.
very much patience. You have to keep a lot of patience for this. Even for making also and for application also like. लगते भी उभं राहायला लागेल. Now I think she has to stand up so I can apply it very nicely.
special advice you want to give to the audience while recreating this look?
Only one advice: be creative, learn a lot. Education is the very much basic things of your working life. When you are working and when you are having a salon, you should always keep on training. Even like I am working for so many years, but I am training myself regularly. जो भी कोई नया आर्टिस्ट आता है जहाँ पे आपको लग रहा है कि दिस इज माई फोटे, आई कैन लर्न दिस थिंग्स, सो यू हैव टू कीप ऑन लर्निंग. एजुकेशन इज द मेन थिंग. अगर आप एजुकेशन आपने ख़त्म कर दिया, लाइक ओके आई नो एवरीथिंग, then you are finished. You're out of the market. That is the main thing. done. Okay, so this is nearly ready. 2-3 flowers आहे ना बघा, हातात तिच्या हातात पकडायला दे जरा. Okay, we'll clear the stage now. Please give a big hand to Vidhi. She is like very much patience, and to hold this hairstyle on the head for so much long, it's very difficult job. You can try it sometime, but it's very difficult. So thank you very much, Vidhi. I will clear the stage so she can go for a good walk here. 2 minutes इसे सामने. Okay, thank you. You can take a walk. Music, please. Bas. I'll request both the models to please come with me. That's it. Go inside. One more. Single. Thank you.
Sir, before you leave,
Yeah.
audience wanted to know about your academy.
So my academy is like Fashion International College. It is of hair, makeup, beauty and nails. We are located in Alibag. That's the only thing of worry. But we have hostel facilities, we have mess facilities for everyone. We have short courses like from 5 days, 1 month, 15 days, like 2 months, 3 months, all courses. We make like particular signature courses also for everyone's according to the need of everyone. I'll give you my card. My Instagram is there, I think. Amit Vaidya Official is my Instagram address. So you follow there, Amit Vaidya Official. So you'll get all the information there. My numbers are there. So you can get the information from there. You can give me a call. I can create like signature courses for you all if anyone wants to learn this or any other courses as well. Okay. Thank you very much for everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for coming.